So right here is where these weld repairs were. So I don't see any flexing.
You want it again?
Yeah, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We'll shine a flashlight on this. I'm looking for cracks or flexing. Keep running it. Okay. Well, I don't see it flexing, so that's good. This machine had been incorrectly operated for a very long time. In the off position, Mr. James, plant maintenance manager, we've labeled that for the operators. We went through the pressure settings with Mr. Bobby. We are good. This machine, though, should have a cooler on it. There is no external cooler. This is a very busy operation. Our distance between the plat and guide rails, we measured it. We are 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch. According to Max-Pak, that's still well within range. In fact, it's good now.